Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we are here on Great Hotel Reviews back in St. Augustine at the, I don't even remember what this place is called. It's near the beach. It's called like America. I bet you we see it. Let me just start this over. We can fix this in editing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to St. Augustine, Florida. Well, today I am staying in the America's Best Budget, whatever. It's a motel, because we have a nice place to stay when we get down to Fort Lauderdale, so we're saving a little money here. This is sort of like the Great Hotel Reviews budget series we've been doing ever since we started at the Econo Lodge in Buffalo. So enjoy the budget series. Okay, so, dear guest, we take standards for hygiene seriously, and then we got some steps here. Starting with number 5. Well, before that, collect your trash and disinfect. We don't have, if you're sick, go to the hospital. All right, that's fair. Welcome to St. Augustine from Degra. Oh, I don't think she wants a tip. I mean, I don't know what I have. Just, let me get you here. It's kind of disrespectful to leave coins. I don't want people to see my ID. I don't want you to know who I am. I'm sorry. Okay, Degra, you can have all that. I don't really mess up the room, and neither do any of my friends. So it's not, that yellow pillow is mine. Don't remind me to get that. All right, so this is a typical little villa here in St. Augustine. The beach is just walking distance from here. The beds were, they were really soft. Usually I sleep on a more firm mattress, but that's okay. I slept pretty decently. So we got everything. There's 10 seconds left. See, I should have known. That's what happens when you have a false start on the play. So we got the little outdoor sink here. What does it say here? Art towels, you can purchase them if art towels are that good. If they're that good, they're $8, and you can also get a rag as well. It's a rag. And then in here is the bathroom. It was fine. Shower was good. I actually did shower today. I know everybody's proud of me, so thank you guys so much. There was not a name of here, but I will, on YouTube, I will put the proper name of the place when I figure it out. It's like the best American budget that America has to offer. Goodbye.